Hi everyone, my name is Ashwin. I come from the city of Kochi in Kerala. Right now, I'm at the Sari campus of Indiahikes. So recently, I did the Deoriatal-Chandrashila trek DIY solo, and it was absolutely amazing. So the whole reason I chose DIY trekking is because I believe that is where the true spirit of trekking lies, where you plan everything from like you plan everything yourself, from rationing your food to the trail that you are going to take, how long it's going to take, the tent, where you're going to pitch the tent, and everything. When I was setting off on this trek, even though I have done multiple treks, more difficult treks before, my parents were still super worried because I was going all alone by myself and through the forest. But the fact that India Hikes would be there if something goes bad to come and rescue me comforted them a lot. As I reached down to the campus, I was given emergency medical kits. I was given a GPX file, which came in really, really handy when I lost the trail a bit inside the forest. GPX file is basically you upload it onto your phone and it will guide you everywhere throughout the trail. It makes finding the trail much, much easier. And along with this, I would like to especially mention Gautam, Suhas, Kevin, and Shachi from India Hikes. They helped me with everything from the medical kits and getting the permits for the trek, everything. And they gave me that confidence as well. Yes, I'm alone, but they are there. This was a huge, huge confidence booster for me. And these are the reasons why I chose India Hikes to do my DIY treks with.